you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm definitely going to be reviewing the Beauty Blender, the Bounce foundation. I haven't tried this one yet. I got it I think a week ago, but I was holding on to it because I really wanted to try this one for the first time on camera with you guys. And okay, my voice is halfway gone right now. It's because I have a severe cold and I'm like, yeah, I was not even able to talk in past 2 days, so I couldn't make any videos and stuff. But now finally it's getting better and at least I'm able to talk. So I decided to get ready today and I'm actually going to give my first impression, and we will see how this performs for the rest of the day. So, and obviously it's morning right now. It's like 8:30 in the morning, so I'm just gonna get ready really quick and get going for the day. So yeah, we will see how it goes. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button so you show me some love. And we will definitely love to have some new family members joining me today. And if you love my sassy hairdo, this is what I do in the morning when I'm getting ready. So I don't want my hair to come around all over my face. So okay, let's stop rambling and jump into the video. Okay, so the my face is already moisturized using this cream right here. This is the Ultra Repair Cream and this is by First Aid Beauty. Lately my two favorite primer have been this two. One is the Farsali Unicorn Essence, I believe, and the other one, you knew it. I used it on camera for the first time. I tried it. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus matte primer. So the way I like to use it is I put that on my T-zone because my T-zone tends to be more oily than the rest of my face. So, and also my nose, you know, that gets a little bit oily, so I like to use, like, you know, make a cocktail of this too. So let's jump into the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Obviously I had the smaller one. I just bought that one to test it out and I really liked it, so I got into the full-size bottle. So I'm really sorry for my voice, so let's just go ahead and do some priming. Let's put that back in, and then we are going with the Photo Focus matte primer, and I'm just going to take a teeny tiny bit. That's more than enough. And what am I gonna do is I will use that on my nose and on my T-zone. So let's get cracked into the review portion of today's video, and this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation and I have the shade Blend 3.65. So let's go ahead and crack into the bottle, only if I can. Okay, sometimes nails does help. Okay, so this is how this guy looks like. Obviously we have seen this pretty much all over social media. So this is 1.0 fluid ounces. What is 30 milliliter of foundation at once, which is pretty amazing. Let's see if there is a lock or something. Probably not. So there is a little lock you can unlock and lock back in. So, and just pump the foundation out. Wait, it's taking forever. I just don't want it to shoot on me. Ah, there you go. So this is how this guy comes out as. So technically you can use this one as your palette. So let me go ahead and take my Beauty Blender, which is damp already. Obviously I'm gonna use a Beauty Blender with it. It's a Beauty Blender foundation. So I'm just gonna take from here and stamp on my face. I think it's a little light for me right now, but in winter it will be fine, I think. That is the problem when we order online, that we never ever can see the exact shade. So obviously this is lighter, but still let's see how, if I can make this work. Okay, so initial first impression, I think it's going on nicely. So, and I think it's going on so far so good. I don't see anything major. And I'm still going on with the same pump, like I didn't pump anything else. So it's spreading quite nicely so far. It's definitely not my shade, like no doubt. It's gonna be my winter shade for sure, but for summertime, I'm a little bit more tanner than usual. So for summertime, it's definitely not my shade. So I think it's medium to buildable coverage. I think so. Although it says it's full coverage, I'm not using that much, I think. So to me, this seems like a medium to full coverage kind of a foundation. And you can definitely build it up if you need more. But so far, it's not clinging into any dry patches or anything, although I don't have many. But it's not really tending to grab onto anything, which is a nice thing so far. Now I will go ahead and put my concealer on, and for concealer I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and the shade I have is medium warm. I think it's a little too warm for me, but so let's go ahead and bounce with the Beauty Blender again. Alright, so now I'll be going ahead and setting my foundation, but before that I like to do my highlight. It's just been a new thing now. I really enjoy doing it, so I'm gonna use my Dior backstage highlighting palette. What's that called? It's the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. That's what it is called. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills 823 brush, which is used and abused. So I'm just going to use this shade right here that is called Stroke. That's a gold highlight. So I love doing this lately. Like, I am obsessed with this. Like, just take a look. This is beautiful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my foundation, my concealer, and I will set my concealer first. And for that, I'm going to use my MAC palette that I made by myself. So I'm going to take a dome shade brush. That's the Morphe M438 brush. It's what I use almost every single day. So I'm gonna use this two shade. This is MAC Soft Focus and this is MAC Emphasize. These are the Pro Finish powder. I just use those individual pans and just take a pan and just thicken it. So I just made this palette by myself, and this is really handy to me. So this literally looks like a palette, you know what I mean? Right, so now I'll be going ahead and setting the rest of my face, and I'm gonna use the Smashbox Halo powder for it. So now time to carve my cheekbones, and I'm going to go back to my MAC palette again, and I'm going to use this shade here. One is Shadestar, and I forgot what's the other shade's name. I'll try to find it and link it on the description box below. So if you want to see that, definitely click the show more button down there and you will be able to see that. So I'm taking an angle brush to do my contour, and I'm just going to contour right at the cheekbone. I'm not dragging it down. That's how I'm doing it lately, and I like it that way better. So now I'm gonna take one of these brushes. I don't know what to call them. I'm just gonna use the shade Shadestar to carve out my nose. And I'm going to take this shade and just do it under my lips really quick so it looks more fuller. Alright, so now let's go ahead and do my brows. I'll finish off my makeup and I will be right back. So I'm back with my full makeup on. So far it's feeling good. I don't see anything like, you know, any like being uncomfortable or anything like that, but it's been only 2 hours since I actually wore this foundation because I got a little bit distracted and I had to make my breakfast. I had to eat my breakfast and then I finished the rest of my makeup and then I came in. So for this eye makeup tutorial, this is actually gonna be in a separate video because I did use the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, the Bling Boss palette, for this eye look. So if you want to know how I feel about that palette, just don't forget to check that video out. I don't know which one is gonna go up first, this one or the eye makeup, but whichever one, you can definitely check me out in both the videos. So of the day, before I take my shower, I will do a final check-in, so you will see how the foundation held up. So far I'm not mad at it, but again, I can't really tell because it's been just 2 hours. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the end of my day for the day. I'm really tired. It's like 9 at the evening right now and I'll have to go and take a shower because I work tomorrow morning, so I have a whole bunch to do. So before I go for a shower, I wanted to quickly sit down and give you the total rundown of how this foundation did perform. So what I think is it did held up quite nicely, especially comparing to the weather today. It's not too hot, not too cold, but it's pretty humid here today. So how it performed, I'm not gonna complain about it. Like, it's not like I'm blown away, but it's nice. I haven't seen any issues so far, like breaking the foundation apart or anything like that. And yeah, that is it where I am standing with this foundation at the moment. But yeah, obviously I'll be continuing to use this foundation since I already bought it, so I'm gonna use this one more and I'll let you know as I go how it works and if there is anything I don't like or whatsoever. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay pretty, stay blessed, because you're special. Bye.